Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel Atif Official. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is Samsung's latest flagship, and it's packed with cutting-edge features that promise to redefine what a smartphone can do. From its jaw-dropping display to its insane camera capabilities, we're going to break it all down. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's get into it. Unboxing and first impressions. First things first, let's unbox this beast. The packaging is sleek and premium, as you'd expect from Samsung. Inside, you'll find the Galaxy S25 Ultra itself, a 45W fast charger, a USB-C cable, and some documentation. No surprises here, but it's always nice to see a charger included in the box, right? Now, let's talk about the design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a stunner. It's got a sleek matte finish on the back that feels great in hand and resists fingerprints. The metal frame adds a touch of durability, and the overall build quality is top-notch. It's also IP68 rated for water and dust resistance, so no worries there. Chapter 2. Display. Next up, the display. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate. But here's the kicker. It now supports a variable refresh rate that can go as low as 1 Hz, which is great for battery life. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is excellent, and the brightness is insane, up to 2000 nits. That means you can use this phone in direct sunlight without any issues. Plus, the display is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3, so it's both beautiful and durable. The Sun 3 performance. Now, let's talk performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the latest Exynos 2400 chipset, or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, depending on your region, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM. This thing is a beast. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing videos, the Galaxy S25 Ultra handles it all with ease. The performance is smooth, and the device stays cool, even under heavy load. If you're a power user, this phone won't disappoint. For camera, let's move on to the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a quad camera setup with a 200MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, a 10MP periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The photo quality is incredible, the colors are accurate, the dynamic range is impressive, and the low-light performance is top-notch. The 200MP sensor allows for insane detail, and the zoom capabilities are mind-blowing. You can literally see the moon with this thing. When it comes to video, the Galaxy S25 Ultra can shoot up to 8K at 30 FPS, and the stabilization is excellent. Whether you're vlogging or capturing memories, this phone has you covered. Battery life and charging. Battery life is another area where the Galaxy S25 Ultra shines. It packs a 5500 mAh battery with 45 W of fast charging, 15W wireless charging, and 5W reverse wireless charging. In real-world usage, the Galaxy S25 Ultra easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. And when it's time to recharge, the 45W fast charger juices it up in no time. Plus, the wireless charging is a nice bonus. The software. The Galaxy S25 Ultra runs One UI 6 based on Android 14, and the software experience is smooth and intuitive. Samsung has added some new features and optimizations that make the phone even more user-friendly. Whether it's split-screen multitasking, app continuity, or gesture navigation, the Galaxy S25 Ultra delivers a seamless experience. Plus, Samsung promises 4 years of major OS updates and 5 years of security updates, so you're covered for the long haul. 7. Price and value. Now let's talk about the price. The Galaxy S25 Ultra starts at $1,299. which is definitely on the higher end. But when you consider the features and performance, it's worth every penny. If you're someone who wants the best of the best and doesn't mind spending a bit extra, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is definitely worth it. It's a powerhouse that delivers on all fronts. Pros and cons. Let's break it down. Here are the pros and cons of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Stunning display with excellent brightness and refresh rate. Top-tier performance with the latest chipset. Incredible camera system with 200MP main sensor and 10x optical zoom. Long battery life with fast and wireless charging. Premium design with IP68 rating. Cons. Expensive. Slightly bulky due to the large size and battery. 9. Who should buy it? So, who should buy the Galaxy S25 Ultra? If you're someone who wants the best smartphone experience money can buy, this is the phone for you. It's perfect for power users, content creators, and anyone who wants a premium device that can do it all. 10. Comparison with previous models. Now let's take a moment to compare the Galaxy S25 Ultra with its predecessors, the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Galaxy S3 Ultra. If you're wondering whether it's worth upgrading, this is for you. Design-wise, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is more refined than the S Ultra, with a sleeker build and a more durable matte finish. The S23 Ultra, while still a great device, feels a bit dated in comparison. The display on the S25 Ultra is a significant upgrade over the S2 Ultra, with higher brightness and a more efficient variable refresh rate. The S23 Ultra's display, while still excellent, can't compete with the newer models. In terms of performance, the S25 Ultra's Exynos 2400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset outperforms the S Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and the S23 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. The difference is noticeable, especially in gaming and multitasking. The camera is where the S25 Ultra really shines. The 200MP main sensor and improved image processing make a noticeable difference in photo quality compared to the S24 Ultra and S23 Ultra. The zoom capabilities are also better, especially in low light conditions. Battery life is another area where the S25 Ultra has an edge. The 5500 mAh battery and 45W fast charging are improvements over the S24 Ultra's 5000 mAh battery and the S23 Ultra's 5000 mAh battery with slower charging speeds. Boom, competition. Now, let's see how the Galaxy S25 Ultra stacks up against its biggest competitors, the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Design-wise, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is more versatile with its S Pen support and larger display. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a more compact design, while the Pixel 8 Pro offers a clean, minimalist look. The display on the Galaxy S25 Ultra is brighter and more efficient than the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Pixel 8 Pro. However, the iPhone's True Tone display and the Pixel's smooth 120Hz display are also excellent. In terms of performance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max are neck and neck, with the Pixel 8 Pro slightly behind. However, the Pixel's AI capabilities and software optimizations make it a strong contender. The camera is where the Galaxy S25 Ultra really shines. The 200MP main sensor and 10x optical zoom outperform the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Pixel 8 Pro in terms of detail and zoom capabilities. However, the Pixel's computational photography and the iPhone's video capabilities are still top-notch. 13. Long-term potential. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a great device. It's a sign of where the smartphone industry is headed. With advancements in display technology, camera capabilities, and AI integration, smartphones are becoming more powerful and versatile than ever. Samsung has set a high bar with the S25 Ultra, and I'm excited to see how they and other brands pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the coming years. Chin, final verdict. So, here's the final verdict. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a phenomenal device that delivers on all fronts. It's packed with cutting-edge features, offers top-tier performance, and provides an incredible camera experience. If you're in the market for a flagship smartphone, this should be at the top of your list. That's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tech reviews like this one. Let me know in the comments. What do you think about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Would you buy it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.